السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد، رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. رب زدني علما. بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. اللهم نرجو رحمتك فلا تكلنا إلى أنفسنا طرفة عين وأصلح لنا شأننا كله، لا إله إلا أنت. اللهم أحسن عاقبتنا في الأمور كلها وأجرنا من خزي الدنيا وعذاب الآخرة. اللهم احفظنا تحت ظل عرشك، لا يكون ذل إلا ذلك. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم يا أيها الإخوة في هذه الحلقة الجديد لتعلم اللغة العربية. Today we will complete chapter number 8, and inshallah we will do some amount of reading of the chapter number 9 as well. So just a small exercise which was left last week from chapter number 8, we will try to complete that one inshallah today. It is regarding ta'ammal ma yali. Ta'ammala yata'ammalu. Ta'ammal means to ponder, to think on this ma yali, what follows, what is coming. So in this in part 1 of this chapter, first part, we try to explain the past and the past and the present, the mazi and the mudara, and where is the file, and why are how can we segregate the future tense or the present tense into 3 different ways. We already discussed with that. Now this is here a brief summary for the past tense, or we say fi'lun mazi, we say fi'lun mazin. This is for that only. Now if we'll see that it's mentioned here, as I already discussed with you, just we will just recapitulate some of this. So we have zahaba, zahabu, and zahabat, zahabna. This we know, this is for the ghaib, la shakka fi. The only thing which is missing here is the musanna. I mean to say zahaba is not mentioned here, and zahaba and zahabata is not mentioned here. Then we have zahabta, zahabtuma, and zahabti, and zahabtunna. So this we know, this comes under the heading of mukhatab. This comes under the heading of mukhatab. And then we have the last zahabtu and zahabna. This is mutakallim. This we know. Now there are something mentioned here. They have done some type of, we can say, bracket system is being applied here. Now if we will see zahaba, it's zahaba. After that they have put an equivalent sign, or equal to, it's equal to fi'lun. As we know, this is a fi'l zahaba. Then we have zamirun mustatirun. That is the file. Zamirun mustatirun. Zamir simply means a pronoun, which we know. And we also know that the pronouns can be divided into 2. It can be zamir muttasil or munfasil, and we know all about those zamir. So the zamir here is mustatir. Zamir here is mustatir, and predominantly it is a zamir which is munfasil here, and that zamir is huwa. So we can say huwa zahaba. So in zahaba, the hidden part is mustatir. The hidden part is the one who is doing the action, that we also say its file, that is the huwa. So we can say zamirun Mustatirun yaud ila huwa. It's going to huwa. Huwa can be anyone. I can also say zahaba hamidun. As simple as that. Now, if sometimes I'm not mentioning the one who went, I say zahaba. Simply I say zahaba. So that time we say that the zamir here is mustatir, that is the doer of action, that is huwa. We like say sometimes we say zahaba ila mudir, he went to the director. Zahaba ila souk, he went to the market. ذهب إلى المدرسة, he went to the school. So in that part we say that the one who is going is not mentioned, so we say yaud ila, or the dhamir is going to huwa. Sometime it's mentioned, the file is mentioned, we say ذهب حامد, ذهب زاهد, ذهب جنيد, ذهب Himayu, like that we can say. Then we have the Zahaba. In most of the times you will see in this book, the Zahaba or the Musanna is not used, because in Arabic or in English, the dual form is used less as compared to the singular and the plural. But there are separate chapters for the Musanna. Then we have Zahabu. It is mentioned here. Zahaba is the fi'l, is the action, is the verb. Then this waw is the file. This we say wawul jama. This will say wawul jama. So in this zahaba, waw is the doer of action, is the file. And if we will say this waw is the same huwa, huma, whom. So this is simply the whom which is being converted into waw in this file. Okay, so this is the file, and again repeating, these are zamir munfasil, munfasilun. Then comes the female part, that is zahabat. In zahabat again we have zahaba, it's the file, and ta. Now there is something ta here. This ta is an open ta. It's not a ta mudawwara. We say mudawwar, dawwara yudawwiru. Mudawwar means a circle or a closed part. Dawr, dawr. So now this is ta maftuha. Maftuha means a ta which is opened. So this ta mudawwara is being opened up. So this is time of tuha, and this ta is called as alama to tanis. So this is a way to symbolize that this is the alama for the female. And now there should be a doer of action, that is mustatir file, and we will say it will go to here, as simple as that. So always remember, this ta is a sign of alamatu tanis. Then for the plural we have zahabna. Zahab is the fi'l, and noon, this noon is the file. This noon is the file here, or the doer of action, and is going to hunna. Hunna. Okay, now then comes, this was regarding the gaib. Now we will be dealing with the mukhatab, the second person. And again, as I told you that formula, firstly we have zahaba, then zahaba, zahabu, then zahabat, as is mentioned here, and zahabna. Then all the six, this mukhatab and two mutakallim, they are always written as last lecture we recorded for that, this part one, zahab. Then just to add ta, or you can add tuma, or you can add tum, or you can add ti, tuma, tunna. So it will always remain as zahab, 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 zahab. So this is the way we remember. See here, zahab, as here mentioned here, zahab, zahab, and zahab, and zahab. So now coming on to the mukhatab, zahab is the fi'l, anta is the file, as simple as that, and this is going to anta. Then we have zahabtum, zahab is the fi'l, correct? Then we have tu, zahabtum, we have tu is the file, and this meme is the alamatu jama. So in tum part, so once we say tum, it means two will be the file as here, and this meme is the alamatu jama. We should always remember this is alamatu jama, and here is waw is the alamatu jama. Then we have zahabti is comes for the female, zahab is the fail, and we say these are majzoom, and these are majzoom because the ta is having the sukoon in all these 6 awzan of fail, and the first 5 are mutaharrik. I mean to say, as I told last time also, that these 5 are till here because here 2 musannas are missing. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 plus 2, 5. They are all mutaharrik. They are with the vowel signs mutaharrik. They are with the vowel sign because it is zahaba, bu, ba. But after that it is zahab, 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 zahab. All are sakina. So zahabti, this dinti is the file, and zahabtunna, zahab is the fail, tu is the file, and na is the alamatu jama, is the alamatu jama for the female. Then zahabtu, the tu is the file, and zahabna, na is the file. And these all goes to ana and nahnu, as simple as that. Now we have here mentioned here ayin al-fa'ila fima yali. We have to jot down, we have to look for the file which are fima yali in the following things. Now we have kharajtu. What do you think will be the file in kharajtu? Kharajtu means I went. Where is the file here?
Tu
is the file. As jalasna, we all sat. Where is the file?
na
Is the file. Sami'ati, you one female heard. Sami'ati, ti is the file. Correct. Now sharibtunna, you all female drank water. Let's say sharibtunna ma. Where is the file?
tu
Tun.
Yes, two is the. And what is the na?
Jama.
It is alama. Yes, it is alama to jama. Correct. Dakhalu. Where is the file?
Wow.
Wow, correct. Hafizna, hafiza, hafiztu, hafizna. Hafizna means you all female. Sorry, it means ghaib. This is regarding the ghaib females. They all, we can say all the females, they memorized or did hafiz of or anything like Quran. So hafizna, where is the file?
na
In hafiz,
Na.
where is the file? Yes, na is the file as here mentioned here. Zahabtunna, noon is the file. Then we have akaltum, you all ate. Where is the file?
Tum.
Two is, and meme is mimul alamatu
Jama.
jama. Correct. Fataha means one opened something, is a ghaib. One man or one male opened fataha. Where is the file? Mustatir. Mustatir means it's from the satir. Satir means something which is hidden. So here the doer of action is, we will say file mustatir. Taqdiruhu is better to write like taqdir huwa. Taqdiruhu we can mean estimating.
Yeah, Ustaz, can you please explain this again? File mustatir?
Istatara yastatir. Istatara yastatiru mustatir. Mustatir means something which is hidden. Something which is hidden. And the satar. Satar. Like we have the satar from the navel till to the knees. Ilal rukba. So that part is the satar, that's the hidden part. So it's the same meaning of mustatir. It means the doer of action, the one who is opening is hidden. And we say taqdiruhu. Taqdir, we prefer write this. Taqdiruhu means it is estimated or it is going to where huwa. It is going to huwa. Zamir huwa. This in this fatwa, or even sometime the file is not hidden, it is mentioned. I will say fataha hamidun. Hamid opened, but sometimes Hamid is not mentioned. Okay, so that time we will say that this, the doer of action, the file is going to huwa, and huwa can be anyone. Then we have fahimtu. It is the mufat. Where is the doer of action?
Tu.
And what is na? Alamatu
Jama.
jama. Katabta, you one male wrote.
Ta.
Gasalat, one female washed. Ghaib. Where is the mustatir? Ta is alamatu ta'nis. It is showing the female, that this is the wazn of a female. Then laibu means they all males are playing. Where is the
Wow.
wow? Dakhala, he entered. Mustatir, hidden. Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. Going to huwa. One female, one white female, zarabat, matlab beat. Again, mustatir. Ta is alamatu tanis. Mustatir taqdiruhu here. This is going to here. Then we have min. من الضمائر المتصلة. من الضمائر المتصلة means those ضمائر which are muttasil, which are connected, which are attached. So what we have from the ضمائر, as we saw in the Abu Awzan, we have atta'u kama fi, as it came in the Zahab, Zahabta, Zahabti, Zahabtu, Zahabtum, Zahabtunna. So in all of these we have atta'u. Ta, 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 and ta. They are zamir which are connected with the fa'il. Al-wawu kama fi zahabu. Now the waw, which was the file, also mentioned in the zahabu. An-nunu kama fi zahabna. In the zahabna, this zahabna is ghaib. Zahabna is ghaib. Correct. Muannas jama. The noon kama fi zahabna. So the zamir is connected with zahab. So mentioned here, min al-dhamair al-muttasila. So these are the dhamair which are connected with the fa'il, but in reality they are connected with the fa'il, but their hidden meaning, their hidden we can say the meaning of all of them is like zahabu is going to whom, Zahabna is going to hunna. Zahabna is going to nahnu. So in reality, they are actually detached pronouns. Then we have ta'mal ma yali. Aina Hamidun. Where is Hamid? Kharaja. He left. So in kharaja, kharaja is the fa'il. Where is the fa'il? Who is the doer of action? Al-fa'ilu zamirun mustatirun. The doer of action is zamir, which is hidden. We will say taqdiruhu huwa. Then we can also say ya'id ila Hamid, which is going to Hamid or which is returning to Hamid. Aina Aminatu, where is the Amina? Kharajat. Kharaja is the fail. Ta is the alamatu tanis. Where is the doer of action? Zamirun mustatirun. Zamir which is hidden. Actually, mainly in two things, two fail. One is the zahaba. Zahaba is the muzakkar ghaib, and zahabat is the muannas ghaib. In these two only, the zamir can be the file can be present or it can be mustatir. But for other awzan, other fi'l, the file is always there. The file is always there. See, zahabu file is there, zahabna file is there, zahabta file is there, zahabtum file is there. So, but only these two are little bit special, where we need to remember a file can be mentioned or it can be hidden. Only these two. So, like we have the example Tamal, then Alhamdulillah, now we have chapter number 9, Adarsu Tasiu. Just a reading, we will see to the reading. دخل المدرس الفصل ووجد 15 طالبا فقط فقال لهم أين طلاب الجدد الخمسة الذي جاءوا أمس؟ قال عبد الله حضروا اليوم وخرجوا قبل قليل أظن أنهم ذهبوا إلى المدير. فرجع الطلاب الخمسة بعد قليل فقال لهم مدرس إلى المدير ذهبتم يا أبنائي؟ قالوا نعم ذهبنا إليه لأننا ما وجدنا أسماءنا في قائمة. جلس المدرس وقال أقرأتم درس الأمس يا أبنائي؟ قال الطلاب نعم قرأنا وكتبناه وحفظناه. قال المدرس أفهمتموه؟ قالوا نعم. ففهمناه جيدا. ما أسهل هذا الدرس؟ قال عبد الرحمن أنا ما فهمت فيه 3 كلمات. قال المدرس ما هي؟ قال عبد الرحمن قرأنا في الدرس هذه الجملة عاد جدي من الخرطوم. فما معنى هذه الكلمات ال3؟ قال المدرس على معناها رجع، وجد معناها أبو الأب أو أبو الأم، وخرطوم عاصمة السودان. أفهمت؟ قال عبد الرحمن الآن فهمت. ثم فتح المدرس كتابه وقرأ درسا جيدا. خلق الله الشمس والقمر والنجوم والأرض والبحار وخلق كل شيء وخلق الإنسان من طين. ثم قام وكتب هذا الدرس على السبورة. رفع محمد يده وقال ما معنى الطين يا أستاذ؟ قال المدرس الطين معناه التراب مختلط بالماء. ورفع فيصل يده فقال له المدرس أعندك سؤال يا فيصل؟ قال فيصل نعم عندي سؤال. البحار جمع بحر. قال المدرس نعم هو كذلك. قام الحسن وقال ما جمع سماء يا أستاذ. قال المدرس جمعها سماوات. ثم سأل المدرس طلاب عدة أسئلة. المدرس من خلقك يا إبراهيم؟ إبراهيم خلقني الله. المدرس من خلقكم يا أبنائي؟ الجميع خلقنا الله. المدرس من خلقني يا عباس؟ عباس خلقك الله. المدرس من خلق الشمس يا عبد الله خلقه الله. المدرس ومن خلق قمر يا عبد الرحمن خلقه الله. ومن خلق النجوم يا أحمد خلقه الله. يا أستاذ، عندي سؤال ليست له علاقة بالدرس. ما هو؟ قرأت في كتاب أن النجوم أبعد من الشمس، أصحيح هذا؟ المدرس: نعم، هذا صحيح. مما خلق الله الإنسان يا عثمان؟ خلق الله الإنسان من طين. أحسنت يا عثمان. ومما خلق الله الجان يا أبا بكر؟ أبو بكر خلق الله جان من نار. المدرس: كيف عرفت ذلك يا أبا بكر؟ عرفت ذلك من القرآن الكريم، فجاء في سورة الأعراف أن إبليس قال لله: أنا خير منه، خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين. المدرس: أحسنت يا أبا بكر. أحسنت يا أبا بكر. كم سماء خلق الله يا عبد الله؟ عبد الله خلق الله 7 سماوات. وفي كم يوم خلق الله سماوات والأرض يا عبد الرحمن؟ عبد الرحمن خلق الله سماوات والأرض في 6 أيام. المدرس: هذا صحيح. قال الله تعالى في كثير من الآيات إنه خلق 7 سماوات. فقال في سورة الطلاق: الله الذي خلق 7 سماوات. وكذلك قال في كثير من الآيات إنه خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام. فقال في سورة الحديد: هو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام. في هذه اللحظة رن الجرس وخرج المدرس من الفصل. So this is a chapter. Inshallah, next week we will study about this and we will go with the deep explanation. So I urge you that you also read it and go through the chapter. Barakallahu feek, jazakumullahu khaira ya ikwan. وأقول قولي هذا أستغفر الله لي ولكم.